I just got done with my shift for this morning. I am headed to work on a Wacker packer now. One of my friends, his Wacker packer is not charging like it's supposed to, so I ordered in a new stator, and I'm gonna go throw it on it for him. First stop is lunch. I'm feeling like a sandwich. Well, here's the packer in question. Can't get it to do anything. So the stator is inside here. So I'm going to take this off, take all that off, and we'll see what I can make happen. Got this flipped up. I'm undoing the battery right now. So making headway, but this is my setup. It kind of works. I just look forward to one of these days when I can get my service truck that I bought up and running. I just need to, well, there's lots of stuff I need to do. So I can't use it yet. Okay, just got the battery undone. I got this just propped up here. So I think now I'm gonna undo some hoses and see if I can just pop that cover off. Went ahead to drop the exhaust because the bolt down there at the bottom, I couldn't hardly get anything to it. So I dropped it down and pulled it out of the way a little bit so I could get a wrench on the backside. There's a nut on the bolt, which was no fun. So I got that off. Now I'm gonna move on to the other side and do the same thing, I guess. Where's my hand? There's my other arm. It's pretty nasty down in there. But yeah, I got these bolts out, all of them around here. I think the only thing that's holding this cover now is the starter. So I'm going to pull the starter. One of my favorite things as a mechanic to do is lose my tools. Like, I have no idea where my 8mm hex socket went. And I kind of need it. Okay, now that I've looked for this socket for about 5 minutes. Let's see, can you see it down in, oh, there it is. Oh, come on out of there. I think these hoses are fighting me. The fact that I'm using one hand would be a reason that I can't get it out. There's my stator right down in there. That was the hardest thing I've done all day. Had to do some jimmying to get that thing off, but here, we're getting closer. Just took all the bolts out of the flywheel. It came off. There's my stator. I forgot to bring my normal half-inch or quarter-inch ratchet, so I get to use this one. I got it from the Snap-on guy. It's nice. I wish that I had my normal ratchet, but this one works good enough. This handy feature, my screwdriver came in today. That screw was pretty tight, so I just went ahead and did the old wrench on the screwdriver trick. Works good, works fantastic. Now that I'm in here, so I went to take this thing off, and there's a little screw that holds it down here, and the wire comes out over here, so I'm wondering if what was wrong all along, or what caused it to fail. I'm betting that these wires in here are all pinched up. I'm kind of excited to find out, but I don't want to make the seal or anything leak, which I mean it already looks like it's damaged, so I'm trying to be careful here. Anyway, got the flywheel on. Now I'm going to put the cover on. We're just going back together at this point. I've gotten carried away. Got the housing back on. I haven't put the starter back on yet. Pump's sitting there, but it's not bolted. I put the exhaust back on. What else have I done? This is mounted back here, but I haven't put this bolt on yet. That'll take like maybe 14 seconds. We're going back together, folks. Just about done. All right, we're all back together. Got starter bolt on, pumps are both on. Haven't put this on yet, but I'm gonna run it first. Same with all those wires. I'm gonna start it and make sure that it charges. That's the point that we're at, so. You have to jump this thing to start it, so I'm going to go ahead and turn this thing around and get some jumper cables out. Okay, the stupid remote was dead. So it's been sitting here charging for a little bit. It's probably going to die as soon as I take it off. But I don't know what else to do, because I don't want to sit here for hours. Alright. Yep, it's dead. Oh, man. Okay, I don't know what this light being green means, but I'm gonna try it. Oh, come on. Oh. I'm moving my jumper cables up here so that I don't have to mess with my multimeter, because it's not very secure down there. So all right, come on, Mr. Wacker Packer, you gonna cooperate with me? I'm back and it's a new day. I got a new voltage regulator for this thing because it wasn't working when I finished the last time. And it made me kind of sad. I don't think I even said anything on the camera, but got the new voltage regulator on. I'm gonna drag some jumper cables over here and hook it up and see if this thing works this time. Okay. Oh. All right. Well, never mind. Hello.
As you can see, it's charging now, and thank goodness. So, another project done.
Thanks for watching.